The ex-girlfriend of your closest friend reaches out to you. She tells you she feels something for you. You've known your friend for years. You saw how badly the breakup broke him. It took him a long time to recover. There is no rule book for this situation. Only consequences. Do you choose love over loyalty? Or loyalty over desire?
Feelings are not moral crimes. They are truths asking to be lived. Love does not wait for permission, nor does it disappear out of loyalty to the past. The relationship has ended, and no one owns another's future. Denying genuine connection to protect comfort would mean betraying myself instead. I choose love, accepting that some bonds fade so others can exist.
Even if she were Megan Fox, some temptations aren't worth the cost. I refuse to turn someone else's deepest wound into my opportunity. I won't become the reason my friend is hurt again. It would break the bond that made us brothers in the first place. I choose loyalty because character is proven not by what we take, but by what we refuse to take.
I'm gonna win this.
You've been trying for the last 20 minutes.
A target has been spotted near to your location, and we request that you take on this mission and get back all the gifts. He was last spotted in his own steakhouse north of your location.
Can't you do this yourself?
Unfortunately, I'm on a very important mission right now. Also, we can't pay your sorry asses with money, so you gotta request for another reward.
Huh? So what will you exactly pay us with?
More sake!
Hey, I want unlimited access to all the clubs
Joseph.
so I can meet the
I want some
ladies.
casino tokens.
Now we're not getting...
Hey, are you gonna pay for the games?
The time has come, after many years. I'm finally gonna be able to What the hell is that? You're stupid as hell for just walking in there. Trust me, we will be fine. And besides, how bad can it be in there?
They're just sitting there like roadkill. Give me something.
What the hell?
I'm definitely
Hey
gonna
dudes,
order this.
where can I find the boss of this place? Only the manager is here. Where is he?
He's in the room to the right. He's always very happy to talk.
Okay, I'll talk to him.
Wait, is this mortal for real?
Do as you wish. It's your funeral.
Last chance to look at me, Hector.
Come on, just knock on the door. It's easy.
Well, where did those two go?
Meanwhile,
Joseph and Gojo, you are next to have a jump.
Зажигает кек, сигара и травы. She's always got me lucky. She's some I can't believe. I say we pack and bucket, 'cause we're just meant to be. She says she loves the island. Summer on, I see you shining. I need you by my side. Can you shine me for you? song there, but I was a fool to play my rules. The gods may throw the dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes the... Oh, don't you fucking jibber me. You look down on me, you pity me. You're not a real lawyer. You take these shortcuts and you think suddenly you're my peer. You do what I do because you're fun. You make me laugh. I commit to the fucking... There was a lot of images. So tell me about that. If he's not gonna take care of her, he's neither wrong. He never changed ever since he was 9. Always the same. They keep bitching shit on whoever they want, and we just have to say thank you. The winner takes it all.